Dear students and teachers, welcome back to video series on Social Science Passing Package Part 3, which is very important from examination point of view. Now, the first question is, what is unemployment? Unemployment is a situation where a person does not find work in accordance to his capacity or qualification. Next question. Which committee is appointed to address the regional imbalances in Karnataka? Answer. DM Nanjundappa committee is appointed to address the regional imbalances in Karnataka. Next question. What is corruption? Answer. Corruption means offering bribe or following any other illegal means to achieve some illegal benefits. Next question. Which are the institutions set up to fight corruption? Answer. Lokpal and Lokayukta are the institutions set up to fight corruption. Next question. Which article of the Constitution has given special status to backward regions of Karnataka? Answer. Article 37J of the Constitution has given special status to backward regions of Karnataka. Now, moving on to 2 marks question. In 2 marks, the first question is write a note on Narmada Bachao Andolana. Answer. The Narmada Bachao Andolana aimed at stopping the construction of Sardar Sarovar Dam across the river Narmada in Gujarat. Next point. They felt that construction of the dam will not only displace the local tribal people but also cause large-scale destruction of forest affecting the ecological balance. Next question. Why did Silent Valley movement take place? A dam was proposed to be built in Silent Valley in Palghat district of Kerala. This threatened the ecological balance of the valley. The Kerala Shastra Sahitya Parishad and wildlife enthusiasts opposed the project. The movement was successful in stalling the construction of the dam. Next question. Which are the important seasons of India? Winter season December to February. Summer season March to May. Rainy season June to mid-September. Retreating monsoon season mid-September to November. Which factors influence the climate of India? The factors that influence the climate of India are location, water bodies, relief feature, monsoon winds. Now, moving on to 3 marks question. The first question in 3 marks is explain the economic causes for the first war of Indian independence. Due to industrial revolution in England, Indian handicrafts and cottage industries suffered badly. England became a hub of industries. The weavers became the first victims as textile and woolen industries in India suffered a lot. The Indian handicrafts industries too became financially pathetic. Indian craftsmen became unemployed. The British imposed high customs on Indian goods entering the market of England. Due to zamindari system, the zamindaris exploited the farmers. Land tax collection rates awarded to talukdars was withdrawn. The Inam Commission took back all the Inam or gifted lands. Due to this, farmers had to undergo lot of economic hardships. Now, the next question is, what were the reasons for failure of first war of Indian independence? The revolt did not spread to the whole country. It concentrated mainly on issues of rights of kings and queens rather than liberation of the country. It was not a planned struggle. The unity among the British soldiers and disunity among the Indian soldiers resulted in failure of the revolt. The mutiny lacked direction and leadership. The soldiers lacked discipline, organizing skill, military strategy, planning capabilities, and soldiering skill. Many Indian rulers remained loyal to the British and did not support the revolt. Thank you for watching video.